Situational English. Renting an apartment. Pre-intermediate and intermediate levels. You want to rent an apartment. What questions will you ask? Is this apartment available for rent? How much is the monthly rent? Are utilities included in the rent? Is the apartment furnished? How much is the deposit? How long is the lease? Are pets allowed in the apartment? What amenities are available in the building? Is parking available? Who should I contact for maintenance issues? What is the neighborhood like? Are there any additional fees?